for real this time. For real this time. Hello and welcome to my channel. You're here with me, your girl, T. This is a fun, bold look. So go and get your makeup, your palettes, your brushes, your glitter, and everything else to try to follow along with this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you want to know how I got this really bright and fun look, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, y'all, so I really don't have a plan for my face right now. I know I want to use this palette by Juvia's Place. And I might dip into the Douce by Juvia. First I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm just going to line out the bottom of my eyebrows, fill out the ends, and then fill in. I try to make my eyebrows as natural as I can. I just like to fill them out because they're really thin naturally. I don't usually do this, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to carve out my eyebrows with some concealer. And the concealer I'm using is Beauties Shade 290. Oh, next I'm going to prime my eyes using Urban Decay's priming station. I'm gonna go in with creme. I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm not gonna do it right in the crease here. I'm gonna do it right above the crease. Now that we did that, I'm going to go into the Beauties by Juvia's Place palette again. I'm going to take this second color onto this blending brush, which is for dense and it's a little bit smaller, but it's still fluffy. Blend it right into the face. Because I'm trying to do a halo eye, I'm going to drag the color all the way down into my inner face as well. Now we're going to go back into the Beauties by Juvia's Place palette and we're going to take this deep berry color. We're going to use a slightly smaller, denser brush and we're just going to pack that color right into. Do you see how pigmented this color is? I love Juvia's Place. It's, again, another black-owned brand. I have to support, especially with how pigmented these colors are. Do you see the color? We're going to go into this dark cranberry color. And we're going to pick that up with a really small, dense brush. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. Just pick a little bit, see how deep the color is, go from there. So we're going to just pack this right into our crease. So now I'm basically going to cut my crease with some concealer and I'm going to use the same Fenty concealer from before. Now we're going to go back into the Douce palette and take this first top color and we're going to put that all over. Just going to go back in with the other brush. We're going to take this second row, last color, and put that on the lid as well. Now we're all ready for the glitter, so I'm going to take NYX Pigment Primer, and I'm going to apply that right in the middle. Right, and now I'm gonna take the NYX glitter. Look how shiny that is. So I'm gonna just take my finger and pat that right on top of the glue. I'm gonna use a fluffy face brush just to kind of dust away any of the excess glitter and fallout that I have. And I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit more with this cranberry color. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some eyeliner and my lashes, and then I'm going to start my face. Before I really start my face, I'm going to clean up some of this fallout with some micellar water. If you wear a lot of makeup, it's really important to double cleanse your skin. So whatever your normal face wash is, follow it up with something like micellar water just to really make sure you clean out your pores. My current foundation of choice right now is Fenty Beauty's Hydrating Foundation. I'm just going to pat it on. I'm not going to brush it. I really like this foundation. I feel like it does a really good job of covering up my dark circles in my bags without having to use too much. I keep saying this, but a little goes a long way. I should be going somewhere now. Where are we going? We're going to the grocery store, and I'm leaving this on all day. Now that that's on, I'm going to conceal, contour, and highlight. Using the same Fenty concealer I've been using this whole video. If you have darker circles or heavier bags, like I tend to, we want to fill out the area that looks a little bit sunken. So focusing the concealer right in this area really helps brighten up that one area that looks a little sunken. And while we let that set a little bit, I'm going to start my contour. I'm going to be using Juvia's Place, what is it called? I'm not entirely sure what this product is called, but it was like their color stick, and it's in the color Guinea. And it's We're going to go back to our concealer, and using this angled, dense, flat face brush, I'm just going to pat it out. Now, using the fluffiest brush in my arsenal, I'm just going to blend out the contour. Wow, my mouth is dry. Now we're gonna set our under eye area just a little bit. So I'm going to go into Fenty Beauty's Instant Touch Resetting Powder, and it's in the color Banana. I'm a fan. I'm a supporter. I love Riri. She is my girl. She can do no wrong. And press that in to where we laid our concealer. Just going to tap my brush right off and wipe it away. This will do a good job of just mattifying your face and kind of filling out those areas that we wanted to conceal. I am going to go into this aqua color and I'm going to put that right under my eye. I'm just going to pat that in there. So look. Now I'm going to just line my waterline with a white liner. We're almost done, so I'm just gonna go in on my bottom lashes with my Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. Time for blush, also a Juvia's Place color. I'm just gonna add a little of that to the top of my cheeks. I'm now gonna go into my Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby highlight. Lastly, we just need to do something with these lips because they look a little bit dry, like the Sahara. NYX This Is Everything lip oil. Okay, we're done. This is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think that this is just a fun and bright look to go out with your boyfriend, with your girlfriend, with your girls, whoever, and just have a good time. Really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and keep your eye out for another video from me.